Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Merchant Center to fix product feed errors step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. Type Google Merchant Center in the search bar. Click on the official Google Merchant Center link. On the Merchant Center homepage, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google account email address associated with your Merchant Center. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the provided field. Click on the Next button again. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. You will now be directed to the Merchant Center dashboard. Once on the dashboard, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Products tab. Here, you will see an overview of your product listings. Scroll down to find any warning or error messages related to your product feed. Click on the specific error message to learn more about the issue. Read the detailed description provided to understand the nature of the error. Follow the suggested solutions to resolve the issue. If necessary, update your product feed file. To re-upload your product feed, return to the Products tab. Select the Feeds option underneath the Products tab. Locate and click the feed you would like to fix. Click on the Fetch Now or Upload button to resubmit your product feed. Wait for the system to process your feed. Return to the dashboard to check if the errors have been resolved. Make sure to monitor for any new errors or warnings in the future. This will help ensure your products are correctly listed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.